I am the production head in one of the leading pulp and paper manufacturing companies in Southeast Asia. Recently we implemented TURILYTIX sheet break prediction using Big AI in one of our paper dryer machines. Let me show how Big AI intelligently uses machine learning ML and deep learning DL algorithms and integrates them with our systems, processes real-time data, and predicts sheet breaks. Big AI leverages a hybrid approach, combining the strengths of both ML and DL algorithms to accurately predict sheet breaks. Big AI continuously tunes and optimizes its algorithms to adapt to changes in production conditions, ensuring consistent accuracy and reliability. Comprehensive data collection. Big AI integrates a variety of data sources from the production environment, including sensor data. Example: tension, speed, moisture, and speed sensors, machine logs, and operator inputs. Big AI processes data in real time, using advanced data streaming techniques to handle the high volume and velocity of information. Intelligent algorithm selection. Big AI leverages a hybrid approach, combining the strengths of both ML and DL algorithms to accurately predict sheet breaks. Big AI continuously tunes and optimizes its algorithms to adapt to changes in production conditions, ensuring consistent accuracy and reliability. Real-time monitoring and prediction. Continuous monitoring. Big AI monitors the production line continuously, analyzing data streams in real time to detect early signs of potential sheet breaks. Predictive alerts. When the system detects conditions that indicate a high risk of a sheet break, it provides immediate alerts to operators, allowing them to take preemptive actions to avoid the break. Actionable insights and recommendations. Root cause analysis. Big AI doesn't just predict sheet breaks, it also identifies the underlying causes, providing actionable insights into why breaks are occurring and how to prevent them. Operational adjustments. The system suggests specific adjustments to machine settings or process parameters to mitigate the risk of a break. Performance optimization. By analyzing production data, Big AI recommends ways to optimize operational efficiency and reduce the frequency of disruptions. Tangible benefits. Big AI saved 80% of the breaks in first month, which is 25 breaks production saving, with 25 breaks is 1,312.5 tons, and corresponding saving is $247,000. Consequently, Big AI correctly predicted 108 breaks in next 3 months, and the corresponding saving is $1,069,200. Implementing TURILYTIX sheet break prediction using Big AI has been a game changer for our pulp and paper manufacturing process. Before using this advanced AI solution, Big AI, unanticipated sheet breaks were a significant challenge, leading to downtime, shortage of production, and loss of business opportunities. However, since integrating Big AI into our operations, we've seen a remarkable reduction in these disruptions. The predictive capabilities of Big AI allow us to foresee potential issues well in advance, enabling our team to take proactive measures and maintain smooth production flow. The system's accuracy and real-time analytics have provided us with valuable insights into the factors contributing to sheet breaks, helping us refine our processes and improve overall efficiency. Moreover, the seamless implementation and the continuous support from the TURILYTIX team have been outstanding. They guided us through every step, ensuring a smooth transition and immediate benefits. This partnership has not only improved our operational reliability but also significantly enhanced our confidence in adopting advanced AI technologies. We highly recommend sheet break prediction using Big AI to any paper manufacturing company looking to optimize their production and reduce operational risks. It has truly been an invaluable addition to our pulp and paper manufacturing toolkit. Thank you so much, Dr. Sankar and team, for helping in sheet break prediction implementation. Join the revolution. Deploy Big AI today and secure your future. Visit TURILYTIX.ai to learn more. Big AI, predict, prevent, and prosper.